Hello students, I am Niharika Patil, your environmental study teacher from Shipra Vidyalaya. Children, today I am going to start term 2. First chapter name is Human Body. Human Body. Human Body के बारे में इस लेसन में काफ़ी कुछ है, तो चलिए जानते हैं क्या है. The human body is a wonderful machine. Like any machine, the human body is also made up of many parts which perform specific functions. Human body can do many activities that no man-made machine can ever do. The human body is a wonderful machine. Human body is a wonderful machine. It's a machine. जो हमारी बॉडी होती है, ह्यूमन बॉडी, वो एक मशीन है की तरह काम करती है. वो एक मशीन है. Like any machine, the human body is also made up of many things. हम जैसे कोई भी मशीन में दूसरे पार्ट्स होते हैं, पार्ट्स से मिलकर कोई मशीन बनती है, वैसे ही ह्यूमन बॉडी जो है अलग अलग पार्ट से मिलकर बनी होती है. ये इतनी वंडरफुल है कि इससे अच्छी कोई भी मेड मशीन नहीं. इट कैन सी, हियर, स्मेल, फील, टेस्ट, मूव, ग्रो, ब्रीथ एंड रिप्रोड्यूस. ह्यूमन बॉडी सी, हियर, स्मेल, फील, taste, move, grow, breathe and reproduce. As a machine, are made of many small parts. Similarly, our body is also made up of very small units. As a machine is made of many small parts. Similarly, our body is also made up of very small units. The smallest unit of which our body is made is called a cell. The smallest unit of which our body is made is called a cell. हमारी बॉडी के जो स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट है वो सेल है. Many cells joins together to form a tissue. Many cells, बहुत सारे cells joint होकर टिश्यू का निर्माण करते हैं. A group of tissue forms an organ. A group of tissue forms an organ. Different organs perform different function. A few organs together carry out one major function for the body by forming an organ system. Several organ systems form an organism. हमारी बॉडी का सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट है सेल. Many cells join together and make a tissue. A group of tissue is called organ, and group of organs are called perform. Organs join together and perform a function of a body is called organ system. So children, many cells join together and make tissue. Many tissues join together and make organ. Many organ join together and make organ system, and organ systems join together and make an organism. Now sense organs. Children, sense organs के बारे में आप लोग पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं. Our body has some special organs which help us to sense the changes in our environment. These organs are called sense organs. Organs that sense change in our environment are called sense organ. We have 5 sense organ: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. We have 5 sense organ: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes. Eyes are very sensitive and delicate organs. They are also called natural cameras. They help us to see and identify things around us. We should take care of our eyes and protect them from injuries and infection. Eyes are very sensitive. Eyes are very sensitive and delicate organ. Eyes are also called natural cameras. With the help of eyes, we see. With the help of eyes, we see and we recognize the things and we identify the things. We should take care of our eyes. Eyes को नेचुरल कैमरा भी कहा जाता है और आइज की मदद से हम चीज़ों को देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, टंग. द टंग helps us to taste different flavors such as sweet, sour, salty and bitter. It also helps us to speak. We should clean our tongue daily. The tongue helps us to taste different flavors such as sweet, sour, salty and bitter. टंग जो है हमारी डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स को टेस्ट करने में मदद करती है. टंग की हेल्प से हमें डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स पता चलते हैं और हमें हमारी टंग को रेगुलरली साफ करना चाहिए. और टंग का एक और फंक्शन क्या है? इट हेल्प्स टू अस स्पीक. ये हमारी बोलने में मदद करता है. Ears. Ears help us to hear. Ears help us to hear different kinds of sounds. Ears help us to hear different kinds of sounds. We can hear low sounds of whispers to loud noises. We should clean our ears frequently. हम ears की मदद से हम सुन सकते हैं और हमें हमारी ears को साफ करनी चाहिए. Nose. The nose helps us to smell. The nose helps us to smell. Nose help करती smell. It also helps us to breathe. We should keep our nose clean. We should never blow our nose hard. We should always use a clean handkerchief or towel to clean our nose. नोज जो है हमारी स्मेल लेने में और ब्रीदिंग करने में मदद करती है और हमें हमारी नोज को क्लीन रखना चाहिए. स्किन. द स्किन हेल्प्स अस टू फील थिंग्स. द स्किन हेल्प्स अस टू फील थिंग्स. what is the function of skin? Help us to feel. We feel hot, cold and warm. and recognize whether things are rough or smooth. We also feel pleasures and pain through the skin. We should bathe regularly to keep our skin clean and healthy. स्किन का जो फंक्शन है वो फील करना है. ये हमें हॉट, कोल्ड, वार्म फील कराते हैं. इवन कोई भी चीज़ रफ है या स्मूथ है इसका भी पता हमें स्किन से ही लगता है. ठीक है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, टाइम टू आंसर. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. Dash help us to feel things. Dash help us to feel things. Skin help us to feel things. We see through our eyes. We see through our eyes. Nose help us to smell the things. Smell the things. Eyes are very dash and dash organs. Sensitive and delicate. Dash are the smallest unit of human body. Dash are the smallest unit of human body. So cells are the smallest units of human body. Many tissues form dash. Many tissues form dash. Many tissues form organ. Okay students, rest part of the lesson I will continue in my next video. Thank you.